In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a survey in Gohighlevel. We'll start by opening Gohighlevel and getting into the correct area of the platform. Once you're on the main dashboard, look over to the left-hand side panel. This is where you'll find the main navigation menu for different tools and features inside your account. From that left menu, click on Sites. This section is where Gohighlevel keeps your website, funnel, and form-related assets, including surveys. After that, move to the top menu and click on Surveys. This will take you into the survey management area where you can create and organize your survey pages. Once you're there, click on Add Survey. This opens the survey builder, which is where you'll design the survey and add the fields you want people to complete. In the builder, locate the survey elements section. This is the panel that contains the components you can place into your survey layout. Now you can begin building the survey by dragging and dropping the component you want into the workspace. Gohighlevel uses a simple drag and drop editor so you can visually place fields exactly where you want them to appear. This makes it easy to create a form that feels clean and organized. As you build, you'll notice several field categories available. From personal info, you can add standard contact fields that help collect basic respondent details. There's also a payments option if your survey needs to capture payment-related information as part of the process. You can also add an address field when location details are needed. If you want respondents to type open-ended answers, use the text field. For feedback-style responses, the rating option is useful because it allows people to score their experience or opinion in a quick, simple way. If the standard options don't fully match what you need, you can use the Customize section. This gives you more flexibility to shape the survey around your specific use case. As you add each component, take a moment to arrange them in a logical order so the survey flows naturally for the person filling it out. Keeping the layout simple usually improves completion rates. Once you're done building the survey and everything looks the way you want, click Save. That final step stores your changes so your survey is available inside Gohighlevel. And that's how to add a survey in Gohighlevel. If you follow this process carefully, you'll be able to create a survey that's both functional and easy for your audience to complete.